As men age, maintaining confidence, strength, and the joy of intimacy can feel like an uphill battle. But what if the solution isn't found in expensive treatments or risky medications? What if the key to reclaiming your vitality lies within your own hands? In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore a natural, gentle, and remarkably effective approach to enhancing erection strength, improving mind-body connection, and reigniting the passion of your younger years. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about empowering you to take control of your sexual health through simple at-home techniques that deliver lasting results. A new perspective on self-care. Before diving into the techniques, let's establish a foundation. For many, self-stimulation is a familiar act, often dismissed as a basic instinct. But when approached with intention, it becomes a powerful tool for self-care. By rethinking self-stimulation as conscious masturbation, you can transform it into a practice that enhances physical health, strengthens pelvic floor muscles, and fosters a deeper connection between mind and body. This isn't about rushing to a release. It's about savoring every sensation, much like enjoying a carefully prepared meal versus grabbing fast food on the go. Let's explore 4 transformative techniques, paired with daily habits, to help you reclaim your confidence and vitality naturally. Technique 1. Gentle compression. Awakening blood flow. The gentle compression technique is designed to stimulate blood circulation in the erectile tissues, enhancing sensitivity and elasticity while strengthening control. Think of it as a targeted exercise for your pelvic region, similar to strength training for your arms or legs. How to practice gentle compression. Create a comfortable environment. Find a quiet, private space where you can relax without interruptions. Sit or lie down in a position that feels natural. Prepare for comfort. Apply a small amount of water-based lubricant to reduce friction and enhance comfort. Start gently. Stimulate yourself to achieve a 50 to 60% erection. This is the optimal state for this exercise. Apply controlled pressure. Wrap your hand around the shaft with a moderate grip, neither too tight nor too loose. Slowly move your hand from the base to the tip, as if gently pushing blood forward. Inhale deeply as you move upward, and exhale slowly as you release. Maintain a rhythm. Repeat this motion for 10 to 15 minutes, focusing on each sensation and keeping your breathing steady. Start light, build gradually. Begin with light pressure to allow your body to adapt. Over time, slightly increase the pressure, but always stay within a comfortable range. As you practice, you'll notice a warm sensation in your pelvic area, a sign of improved blood flow. Regular practice, 3 to 4 times per week, strengthens erectile tissues, enhances sensitivity, and promotes control over pelvic floor muscles, laying the groundwork for stronger, more sustainable erections.
Technique 2. Stimulation control, building endurance. The stimulation control technique focuses on extending the duration of arousal, enhancing endurance, and preventing premature climax. By training your body to manage arousal, you gain greater control and confidence during intimate moments. How to practice stimulation control. Set the scene. Choose a calm, distraction-free space and get into a comfortable position. Build arousal gradually. Stimulate yourself until you reach 70–80% of your climax threshold, the point where arousal is intense but still manageable. Pause and breathe. Stop all stimulation and focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. Allow your arousal to subside to 50–60% before resuming. Repeat the cycle. Complete 3 to 5 cycles per session, stopping just before climax each time. Focus on calming your body and releasing tension. Be patient. Mastering this technique takes practice. It's normal to find it challenging at first, but with consistency, you'll gain better control over your arousal. Practicing stimulation control 2 to 3 times per week builds endurance, boosts confidence, and enhances your ability to sustain erections. Over time, you'll feel more in tune with your body's responses, allowing for longer, more fulfilling intimate experiences. Technique 3. Pelvic floor massage, activating your core strength. The pelvic floor, located between the anus and scrotum, is a critical yet often overlooked region for male sexual health. This area houses nerves, blood vessels, and muscles that directly influence erectile strength and ejaculation control. Pelvic floor massage restores blood flow, enhances sensitivity, and strengthens these vital muscles. How to practice pelvic floor massage. Prepare your space. Find a quiet, comfortable spot and relax with a few deep breaths. Use lubrication. Apply a small amount of water-based lubricant to the area between the scrotum and anus. Start with circular motions. Gently massage the pelvic floor with small, circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Focus on warming the area and stimulating blood flow. Incorporate light tapping. Use your fingertips to tap the area rhythmically, activating deeper blood vessels and encouraging circulation. Apply gentle pressure. Press lightly on the firmer area between the scrotum and anus for 3 to 5 seconds, then release. Repeat 5 to 7 times, maintaining steady breathing. Tune into sensations. You should feel warmth and a tingling sensation, indicating improved circulation and nerve activation. Regular practice 2 to 3 times per week not only strengthens erections but also relieves tension and enhances sensitivity, counteracting the natural decline in pelvic function that can occur with age. Technique 4. Psychological relaxation, unlocking the mind-body connection. The mind plays a pivotal role in sexual health. Stress and anxiety can restrict blood flow and hinder erections, but a calm, focused mind can enhance arousal and performance. Psychological relaxation techniques help you manage stress, reduce performance anxiety, and deepen your connection to your body. How to practice psychological relaxation. Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position, free from distractions. Practice deep breathing. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale through your mouth. Continue for 2 to 3 minutes until your heart rate stabilizes. Focus on the pelvic floor. Visualize fresh energy flowing into your pelvic region with each inhale and tension releasing with each exhale. Use positive affirmations. Repeat empowering statements like, "I am in control of my body," or, "Each breath strengthens my confidence." These affirmations reinforce a positive mindset. Enhance with sensory elements. Incorporate soothing music, nature sounds, or essential oils to deepen relaxation. Try a body scan. Mentally scan your body from head to toe, releasing tension in areas like the pelvic floor through conscious breathing. Regular psychological relaxation reduces stress, improves emotional control, and enhances arousal, creating a solid foundation for sustained sexual vitality. Building a foundation. Daily habits for long-term success. While these techniques are powerful, their effectiveness depends on a foundation of healthy daily habits. Small, consistent changes in your lifestyle can amplify your results and sustain your vitality over time. Optimize your diet. Focus on nutrient-rich foods like nuts, fatty fish, dark leafy greens, and fresh fruits. These provide zinc, vitamin D, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids, which support blood flow and erectile health. Stay active. Incorporate 30 minutes of daily exercise, such as Kegel exercises, light squats, or brisk walking, to improve circulation and strengthen pelvic muscles. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to balance hormones and reduce stress. Avoid blue light exposure an hour before bed for deeper rest. Manage stress. Practice meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to lower cortisol levels, which can negatively impact testosterone and erectile function. Foster connection. Communicate openly with your partner about your desires and feelings. Emotional intimacy reduces stress and enhances confidence during intimate moments. By integrating these habits into your routine, you create a sustainable framework for long-term sexual health and vitality. Your journey to renewed confidence. Reclaiming your strength and confidence after 60 doesn't require complex treatments or medications, it starts with you. By practicing conscious masturbation, gentle compression, stimulation control, pelvic floor massage, and psychological relaxation, you can enhance blood flow, strengthen pelvic muscles, and foster a deeper mind-body connection. Paired with healthy daily habits, these techniques empower you to rediscover the passion and vitality of your younger years. Commit to practicing these methods consistently, listen to your body, and celebrate your progress. Your strength comes from persistence, self-care, and a dedication to your well-being. Start today, and take the first step toward a more confident, vibrant you.